Good morning and welcome back to online classes. In the earlier classes, we have discussed about the different types of network and we have also discussed about the WAN. Today, we'll discuss about the internet, which is a WAN and best example of the WAN. Then we'll discuss how internet was grown, the different uses of internet nowadays, and we will also discuss about the personal area network and advantages and disadvantages of personal area network. Now first we will discuss about the internet. Internet is a computer based worldwide information network. It can be assumed as an example of a WAN, that is wide area network. The internet is composed of a large number of smaller interconnected networks. That means there are so many different networks which are connected with the other networks and then they can form internet. These networks may link tens, hundreds, or thousands of computers. There can be any number of computers in a network, enabling them to share information with each other and to share various resources such as powerful computers and databases of information. Internet can be used to share information and also to share various resources such as supercomputers and database of information. Nowadays, many agencies provides cloud-based storage system, which is another application of internet, so that our information files and folders can be stored in online server and they can be accessed from anywhere. Now we will discuss how internet was grown. The internet grew tremendously during the latter half of 1990s. The earlier days the internet was not there. It was a small network in different companies or agencies. Then in the latter half of 1990s it was grew tremendously. After that, each year during that time period, more people use the internet to access ever increasing amounts of information as the use and application of internet were more. One of the survey found that there were 61 million internet users worldwide at the end of 1996. Then they become 148 million users at the end of 1998 and 320 million users in 2000. Nowadays, approximately 26 billion network devices are there which are using internet for different purposes. Now we will discuss the different uses of internet. The first one, businesses use internet to provide access to complex databases such as financial databases. The different businesses are using the internet to give access of their complex database uh, to other users and other companies. Next is companies carry out electric commerce including advertising, selling, buying, distributing products and providing after sales services, that is online businesses. Nowadays we can see that we can order any item online, then we are seeing different advertisements, then after purchasing if we want any service, that also we are getting online. Next is businesses and institutions use the internet for voice and video conferencing and other form of communication that enable people to communicate or work from a distance. Different companies are using internet for the voice and video conferencing from a large distance. Different institutions are using internet to communicate with the different people. Nowadays we are also using internet to share the video lectures with the different students. So these are the different uses of internet. The next is use of electronic mail, that is email over the internet has greatly speeded communication between companies, among co-workers and between individuals. In the earlier days, people used to send the postcards which were received after a long time. Now email can be used to send the message and which are received immediately. In the companies, co-workers are also using emails so that the communication will be easy and fast, and the other individuals are also using email to send their messages. Next is media and entertainment companies use the internet to broadcast audio and video, including live radio and television programs. They also offer online chat groups in which people carry on discussions using written text and online news and weather programs. Nowadays, we can see that there are so many different online broadcast channels are available which are broadcasting their live audio and video programs, their television programs. They also offer online chat groups. So while watching, if we have any doubts related to their points during the discussion, then we can ask our query and immediately we will get the reply. Next use of internet is scientists and scholars use the internet to communicate with colleagues, to perform research, to distribute lecture notes and course material to the students, and to publish papers and articles. See, from around the world, different scientists working on a same topic. Now, if they want to share their research, distribute their lecture notes, then with the help of internet, they are communicating with each other and they are sharing their research. Professors are also sharing a course material to the students and are also publishing papers and articles to the students. And next use of internet is individuals use the internet for communication, entertainment, find the information and to buy and sell goods and services. And any individual or a single person, they are also using internet for the different purposes. They are using for the communication, for their own entertainment. If they want to search or find about any information, they are using internet, or to buy or sell different goods, as online business is growing nowadays. So like this, these are the different uses of internet. Next we'll discuss about the PAN, that is personal area network. This is also one type of network. When a small network is formed with the personal devices such as a computer, phone or printer, it is called a PAN or a personal area network. You can see in the image also, when one laptop is connected with the cell phone or PDA or printer or router, this is called the personal area network. Even when we are connecting a mouse with the CPU or with the laptop, it is also one type of personal area network. You can see in the image also. Next, we will discuss about the advantages of PAN. PANs are very efficient, cost effective and convenient. As it is a small network, so no extra cables are required. So that is why it is cost effective and convenient. And PAN can be connected easily so that they are very efficient. PANs are considered secure as it is mostly used by single user for personal use. As we will connect different systems in a network, there might be possibility of an unauthorized access. But generally, PAN is used for a personal use. So only a single user will use personal area network, as only one user is there. So it is considered the most secure network among the different types of network. Even though PAN is very efficient and secured, there are few disadvantages of personal area network are also there. The first, PANs can cover only distances up to 10 meter only. The maximum limit of PAN is about 10 meters approximately. So it has to be in the small area. If we want to cover more area, then we cannot use PAN. Second disadvantage of PAN is in PANs data rate is low as compared to the other networks. In the other network we will use different media channels for better speed. In the PAN, speed of data rate is very low as compared to the other network. We have already discussed that if we are connecting printer with the computer, then it is also a personal area network. Now if we want to print anything, then the data transfer to the printer is very slow as compared to the other network. Here are the homework questions. The answer of each and every question is already there in the video. You can note down these question answers in your notebook. Thank you and stay safe.